Hey family, it is Mamie.Lynnette here, and I am heading out to Wally World to get my stage 2 and 3 foods. I start stage 2 Monday. Monday is also when I call my surgeon to schedule my post-op visit. Today I am 4 days post-op BSG and hiatal hernia repair. I'm feeling a lot better. I got on 2 shirts, so that might be why it just looks a little fluffy in my shoulders. So yeah, I'm excited. I actually want to get some lemon zinger and try some Truvia because I really would like a cup of tea. But overall, I've been doing really well. I feel much better. Still tender from the hernia repair. And my belly button is still tender. It's still pretty swollen. I'm gonna get going so I can come back and I'll record some more. Maybe I'll do a little bit of a vlog while I'm in Wally World, but we all know what Walmart look like. Hello. So thanks for tuning in, y'all. See you soon. Peace. Well, hello. So I've been back from shopping for a minute. I actually had to recuperate. When I left, Babe called me a little while later to tell me that she had got called in from work. Well, called in to go to work, which was an hour earlier than we had expected. So I went to Wally World and kind of rushed myself and picked up the things that you will see in this clip. And in doing so, made myself a little nauseous. So I vomited just a teeny bit, but it hurt like hell, child. Because I only had 2 ounces of fluid in me, 2 ounces of Crystal Light. But I'm home. I am uploading videos. I'm watching Superfly. I'm kind of just, chilling out. Talk to my ASM. Got myself together for tomorrow. I have my menu out. As to the times and everything, like my bariatric program at Jackson South Miami is amazing. Like Martha is amazing, Evelyn is amazing, the whole team is amazing. My surgeon Eddie Gomez, like he's the real MVP because like he was just so awesome and so friendly, and so just everything I needed, to make me feel more comfortable in what I was doing and what I am hoping to achieve, and actually what I will achieve. The most maximum weight loss that I can via this surgery, and, healthy eating habits, a healthy mind, a healthy spirit, a healthy way of life. I probably need to sip a little something. I have a bunch of Crystal Light, well, you'll see. So yeah, just wanted to check in with everybody and say hello. So tomorrow I'm going to, this is post-op day 4. My surgery was January 3rd of 2019 at Jackson South Miami. In Miami by Dr. Gomez. My highest weight was 312 pounds. My the day of surgery weight was 298.7. Current weight, child, my scale saying something real crazy. So I'm gonna wait actually until I go for my post-op with Dr. Gomez for an official weight. Goal weight, I don't particularly have one. Like I said, I'm 5'11". I'm 43 years old. I always say hashtag thick with a cute ass. But you know, it's just what I want to see, what my mind sees my sexy looks like. Now that may change. Like I might drop whatever weight and be like, oh, okay, we good. We're gonna maintain this. Or I might drop and I'm like, okay, maybe a little bit more. Maybe, you know, do a little bit more cardio, toning up, weights, so on and so forth. As this is a journey. I'm in the beginning stages of this journey, and shit's gonna change. There's no cookie cutter for this for me, because everybody has this surgery for, yes, one main goal, but it affects everyone differently. So just because we're on that journey don't mean we're always on the same path. But, you know, it's cool. It's cool. I wanted to document my journey. One, because I haven't found many women of my stature. Like I said, I'm 5'11". The few YouTubers that I watched, I can recall Mercedes being 6 foot. And I was like, wow. You know, so, yeah. We doing this. We are 4 days post-op. And I'm loving the way my body is changing already. My wrists are already thinner. I got my rings on, which I haven't been able to wear in months. My toes. I don't know if y'all can see that, but my toes are not as chunky. So there's a lot happening, and it's because of the switch. Like, you know, when you have that kind of surgery, you can't eat. You know, basically the night before surgery. I'm still kind of tender up here because of the hiatal hernia repair. And I'm still got some gas in my shoulders. But I feel the changing in my body. And I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm glad that I took the initiative to put me first in that aspect, to finally say enough. Like, I want to live. Like, I don't want to be trying to chase my grandson around and I'm winded because I can't chase him around the swings for 2 seconds because I'm a big old fat lady. big old fat old lady. So yeah, I'm going to keep on posting. I'm going to do day by day, because on YouTube, I noticed that people do week by week. But I wanted to give you the nitty gritty. So if you have comments, if you want to know what my symptoms were, if you want to know how I went through insurance, what I had to do, the nooks, the crannies, the ins, the outs, the details, please let me know. I took off 2 weeks from work. So I have plenty of time to answer your questions, post them in the video. I'm putting out videos today. So yeah, if you want to know more about my experience having going through insurance, what the insurance was, and all of that, as opposed, you know, in conjunction rather with pre-op, because I did not have a pre-op diet. I was just MPO after midnight, the day of surgery. You know, and what it looked like for me, because everybody's journey is different. There is no cookie cutter for this. There, you know, so let's talk about it. Maybe we have some similarities, and maybe you're thinking about embarking on this journey to weight loss surgery, bariatric surgery, and we have the same stats. Who knows? I mean, you could be 5'11" and 22 years old, but the fact that I'm 5'11", you know, it may be like, wow, okay, if she's 5'11" and she's this size and she comes down to eventually this size, you know. So let's do it. Let's take a walk. Take my hand. And let's take a long walk around the park. Peace, y'all.